What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We got a few cars here today. Pretty nice cars, man. If you're wondering what any of these cars are gonna go for, be sure to tune in tomorrow as that video will be out first thing in the AM. Let's get right into it now, shall we? We got a 2009 Chevy Impala here, 119,000 miles on the dash. Man, it is the SS, so you know this thing is worth a little bit more than the regular Impalas. If we take a look here, we do have some little gappage, man. We do have some gappage, but that's nothing too crazy. If we take a look at the inside, we do have some nice tin. Interior does look good. It does have the SS bolstered in the seats. Does look pretty good. I know when you cut this thing on and rev it, man, this thing sounds like a beast. I used to get dropped off at a school in one of these every day at a certain point in time. And this one looks pretty clean, man. Really nice black they got on here. We can pop the hood on this bad boy. Okay, so you would think it's open, but they actually hit something in the front because the hood is bent up actually. But we can pop that. Alrighty, we got the 5.3 up in this joint, man. That's crazy. You got a 5.3 in a front wheel drive car. This thing sounds like a beast. Throw a cam in there, man, this thing would be freaking crazy. I really wish they made these cars like rear wheel drive. That would have been so perfect, man. But let me know what y'all think about the Impala SS in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2004 Audi A4 here, 132,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty cool, man. I don't see anything that really stands out to me. It is the Quattro. We do got a little slight gappage right here, nothing crazy though. It looks like, okay, the hood is already able to open, so I'm trying to pop this thing. Oh, I didn't know you had to pull this little lever in the Audi emblem. Didn't see that. But it does have the V6 3.0 liter. Really nice looking car, man. Engine bay looks to be in pretty decent condition. Nothing that really stands out. Nothing out of the place. Nothing out of place, rather. 132,000 miles. If we take a look at the inside, it does have some nice black leather interior, man. It looks really, really good. Pretty good leather, man. Nothing in here as well that stands out. Has the sunroof on it. Them Audi doors are so heavy, man. But as we walk around, you do have a little bit of paint faded. I mean, it's the worst of the worst, but it's nothing really wrong with the car. It looks like a pretty nice car, low mileage. What y'all think about the Audi A4, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a 2010 Hyundai Elantra here, 163,000 miles on the dash, man. This is a pretty nice Elantra. You guys know I love those Hyundais, man. And this one is a newer one. I haven't had this model just yet, but I have a feeling it's gonna be coming really soon. 163,000 miles on it, no body damage or anything like that, man. If we take a look at the inside, the seats are freaking dirty, super whooped, super dirty. Both seats, all seats actually super stained up, man. Whoever had this car just didn't take care of the car, man. But the interior is just so whooped. It's crazy, man. The outside looks wonderful, but the inside is just terrible. What y'all think about it though, man? Hyundai Elantra, 163,000 miles, man. Let me know in the comments below. Wow, I haven't seen this one just yet. It's a freaking 2014 Chevy Cruze, 38,000 miles on it, and it is a has a manual transmission. Never seen one of these Chevy Cruzes with a manual transmission. This thing is pretty decent. It only has 38,000 miles. Got a little Band-Aid right there, nothing crazy. I mean, it is a pretty cool looking car. We take a look at the inside. Does look pretty fair. You got the typical black and gray with the little like cloth type seats fill into it. It is a manual. I've never seen this before in a Chevy Cruze. It actually looks pretty good up there. I mean, the interface and everything looks to be intact. It is a 2014, so I mean, it's current enough. I'll take a chance on this. I wouldn't mind it. got some little scrapes down there, nothing crazy. They might have went over a curb or something at a point, but no big deal. On this bad boy. You see, oh yeah, wow. Definitely looks like a 38,000 mile car. Really, really clean, man. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. We got a couple of scooters here that's gonna sell for like 150 or so. I remember I bought a scooter from here. This one is actually a Yamaha scooter, so this one is the more expensive one of the two. If anything, I wouldn't mind grabbing this if it was like 100, 150 bucks, 200 bucks. I sold mines that look similar to this one for like 500. I mean, I bought it for like 150, made a few hundred on it. But we got another Audi here. This one actually is a '04 Audi A8. These things are freaking whooped. This one got a bad starter and it's like super slammed, man. I'm actually good. I know you guys don't care about that joint. We got a little Toyota Corolla here with a rod noise. What else we got back here? 2004 Chrysler Sebring, 87,000 miles. I honestly think this one was here a while ago. Yeah, this one was here a while ago because I remember that. You guys don't want the Malibu. You don't want the Oldsmobile. And this one, the MDX, was here with a bad transmission. Okay, we got a Ford Taurus. We got a 01 Ford Taurus, 144,000 miles. Let me take a quick look at the inside. I mean, it looks like a typical Taurus. Nothing really too crazy about it. Nothing I would bid on, so let's keep it moving here. We got another Acura MDX. This one actually doesn't have anything wrong with it that they know of. It has 143,000 miles. It's a 2006. First glance, it does look pretty cool, man. If you can get like that hood off the broken one and put all the like good parts on here, or just take this transmission out and put it in that truck, you'd probably rather have that one. That one's a lot cleaner than this one, but they look the same. Look pretty fair. 143,000 miles. You got a little pull there, nothing crazy. If we take a look at the inside, we do have some decent black, somewhat leather. I mean, they got cloth covers on the front, so this seat is actually whooped. Never mind, I'll take that back. You got some whoop seats with the third row in the back. You do got two little interfaces right here. One is a Pioneer, so I'm sure the top one doesn't work. So if you're able to get this one cheap enough, you can actually get the other one and then try to fix them both. I don't know, whatever floats your boat, but it does have the tow hitch on it already, so that's cool too. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We got a 1986 Chevy K10 here, 145,000 miles. A lot of potential here. A lot of potential. It is lifted a little bit on the little meaty tire, so that's a plus. I don't know if it says missing parts, so I doubt the motor is in here. Yeah, you're gonna need a whole LS swap, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue. This thing is gonna go for like 250 bucks here today. You got some tequila kickage on the body. I mean, it's a pretty old truck, so you can't expect it to be super A1. But if you want to swap this thing will be the one to swap. Really nice 5.3, go nice in this truck. Clean it up really nice, man. It'll be worth something. It is 4x4, so you can take the 4L80 all-wheel drive, Trailblazer transmission, and freaking throw that right up in here. Now you're a LS swap, old school 1986. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. That was drag racing the foreign again, man. At the Range Rover, looking super whooped over here and tired. You know, we cool on it. Only got 104,000 miles. Let's just look at it. I mean, it's a Land Rover. You got the little windows in the back. That's cool back there. I actually never been in one of these, man. Pretty cool little get up. I like them little windows. It actually brings a lot of light into the car, so that's a plus. I wouldn't mind going camping in one of these if it was like looked really good and was like lifted on some nice little meaty tires like those. you know, but that's just me. What y'all think? We got a little Dodge van we're not really interested in. We got a Isuzu Rodeo, a little Nissan, Dodge little Stratus, I believe. Lexus, 247,000 miles, godly. 250 on the dash, man. You may be able to clean this joint up. Oh, this one got the telephone. What year is this? It's a 93 Lexus ES300, man. So in 93, this was the car to have, man. You got the telephone in this joint. That's crazy. I wonder if we can get that to work today. 1993, wow. I want to see a really clean 93 Lexus now. That thing is nice. Got the phone in there. Oh, you couldn't tell me nothing. I would have been, woo-wee. I would have been all through the city, man. What y'all think about it? We got an 03 Toyota Echo here, 221,000 miles. Looks like it has some like Iron Man look to it with little gold rims on it. Paint is fading. This one may go pretty cheap here. 221,000 miles. Take a look at the inside. I mean, it's nothing special, guys, but I can guarantee this thing is gonna go super cheap. You do got the little Pioneer radio there, so this will be something that goes really cheap here today. And it doesn't look that bad. I mean, you can honestly just get some hubcaps and cover that gold up, but we can pop the hood and see what it's looking like under here. I mean, it's pretty dirty under there, so you might have some misfiring. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens when it comes through the auction today. But let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2006 Honda Accord here. 147,000 miles. It does hold a rebuilt title. Wow. So, I guess we'll find the damage as we move along. But before we do that, let's just pop the hood. We do got a clean, really clean engine bay up here. Brand new battery. Looks like they took care of this car. It only has 147,000 miles on it. The headlights could use some restoration, but all in all, nothing too crazy. Oh, so they probably locked that door, but the back door is unlocked. I mean, you got some stains and stuff on the back here, typical Honda stuff. Missing the little door panel on the driver's side, but I mean, it doesn't look too bad in here. You got the interface and everything up there. No airbags, looks to be out. So, I don't know where it was hit at just yet. But I don't know. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 07 Toyota Camry here. 194,000 miles on the dash. Code AC. Pretty good looking Camry. Do got a little slight tequila kick back there poking out. We'll check that out when we get back there. But if we pop this hood real quick, I mean, you can't really see anything. It's all covered up, but at least it is covered up. I'm gonna smash my fingers, dog. We got some decent, like, light gray cloth interior, which is pretty fair. Nothing in here that really stands out. I mean, it's a pretty cool Camry. Do got some little bumper hangage. Somebody might have hit it, honestly. I don't know. You might be able to just pop that in, but this the trunk looks to be a little bit off. I don't know. It's definitely off because it's not going right back in, so it's definitely off. But this side doesn't look too bad. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 04 Mercedes C-Class here, 187,000 miles. I like this little blue tint on it, man. I always like that blue tint on these Benzes. Headlights could use a lot of restoration. That whole front end just look like super bland. I bet if you like polish those things up, get them clear, this thing will sell for a lot more. But it does have a bad motor, so we're not even gonna bother with it. We got a 07 Mercedes R350 here, 186,000 miles. Slight tequila kickage there. It's the Benz, guys. We got a lot of miles on it. I'm not sure if it's twin turbo or not. Not really sure, but Nothing under the hood that really stands out. This side of the body, I guess, is pretty fair. We can check out the inside of it. Okay, we got some pretty decent beige leather interior. Nice little individual seating along with the third row and the extended sunroof over the top, so that's a +2. Really nice comfy seats. Pretty cool little interface and dash up there. Huge doors. These doors are freaking huge. Nice little Benz truck, man. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna go for like maybe like 20, I'm gonna say like 28, between 28 and $3,200. I don't know. We'll see what it goes for. Let me know if I'm correct. If you guys see this going for sale, let me know in the comments below. A 1992 Ford F150, man. Pretty good looking truck. We're missing a bumper up here, unfortunately, but it shouldn't be too much of a fix. Well, too bad of a fix, rather. If we pop this hood, wow, this got it. Oh, it's already open. All right, bet. We pop the hood. You do got, looks like a 5.0 motor in there of some sort. Pretty cool little engine bay. I don't see nothing that really stands out. Yeah, this is the 5.0 liter F150 with the flare sides. I love this color trim. It's nice. Look at that blue with the red pinstripe with the purple. Just so classic. Ooh, if you look at the inside, you got some nice like suede, like it's like fake suede, guys. This is like the suede that be on the Walmart couches. That's what I mean by fake suede. Like the leather itself feels pretty good, but the suede is just terrible. It feels like a slippery suede. But whoever had this car, man, they took decent, I guess, pretty good care of it. They don't got any carpet on the ground, but looks pretty good all in all. Nice red interior, red and black rather. Pretty good looking truck. Does have some nice wheels on it. I love those. Tires are pretty fair. I love that flare side, man. It just pokes out. Nice little rear truck. Oh, you got the these are the little stepping stools for the side. I mean, looks like you're missing a bumper in the back too, so not too big of a fix. Really good looking truck. I think it looks really nice. What y'all think about the flare side F150, man? Let me know in the comments below. We just got a collage of old Benzes, y'all. This one got 218,000 miles. Don't really want it, but I'll show y'all. Y'all might like it. It is what it is. It's not all that. It's not all that, man. We can ship this to Africa though, and this thing will be the hottest thing on the streets. I was watching some movie the other day. They had these in Africa, boy. What? I wouldn't want to be in nothing else. This thing fly. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars sold for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning, as that video will be out first thing in the AM, man. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.